going to go shopping. Let's go! Hello guys, we are going to Pineful to make pie. I'll do this because it's cheap.
이 브랜드는 뭐야?
어디 가지?
여기 있어.
Put the base and then just put the ingredients on top of the base. I'm going to see the blend. The blend. Again, I'm going to see that or not. You see that? I'll show you the back and that. Pizza, homemade pizza. Because I can make it. Yeah, you like pizza. We need to buy, we actually need to buy pineapple. Looks so fun. That's standard of the pizza. And this is fried tomato. Now we got pizza sauce. See? Don't you see the blend? Olives. Red color. What's this color? Red, you know. That's ketchup. And this is also ketchup. What ketchup color is it? Green. Yes. Alright. Got some. I love you. I'm in love with you. Here's a flower. It's not a flower. Hello guys, we're going to make homemade pizza today. So, we need all the ingredients to make pizza. So let's start. I need to get this pizza dough. This is barbecue sauce. I like cheese. So yummy cheese. So yummy cheese. Everyone likes cheese. Make pizza. Make pizza. Yeah, I'll get some. Sha-la-la-la-la. I know you're watching me. Love me. Exactly, I need to go in. Pineapple. Pineapple. Some bacon. I hope bacon likes me. And what else should I put on? One of these on, and voila. Maybe should I make another one? Another one, here we go. I will make my favorite one. Well, maybe not really my favorite one. and 89 and 1 pepperoni, 2 pepperoni, 3 pepperoni for me. Some bacon on them, some bacon on them. Shallow. 1, 2, 3, and there we go. Let's put some capsicum on. 3 capsicum. Let me eat. That one over there. And let's make another one. Oh yes, I like this one. Should I put more sauce on it? First thing, sauce. I'm putting sauce. So, because we need to put sauce first, otherwise it can't stick. Because, yeah, also all of them sometimes have reasons. Making lots of them is fun. Everything is fun. Spread. There we go. Now put some cheese. All different kind of peaches. All different types of peaches.
뭐야 그거? 얘기해주지.
This is olive, green olive. There's no red olive today. And some pineapple. 2 pineapples. Bacon. 2. And 2 chickens. Some onions. More onions. Now some dried tomatoes. That looks yum, yum, yum. Let's see what we put in here. Maybe I should use one of these. One here. Put some. Look at my bacon. It's so beautiful. And some of these. On the fresh bacon. This one. That looks yum. I think we need something like a red capsicum. We need to put the peaches in the oven so we can eat it. Like 5 minutes, 5 minutes, yeah. Like those times. We're going to meet each other again so we can see the pizza. We made this pizza, so I'm going to eat one of them and I'm going to try. And then we can you don't know. Let's eat one. And then hot. But they yummy, but they hot. It's so hot. Look. It's super yum. So, let's see. 구독과 좋아요 버튼 알림 눌러주세요.